have 10,000 plus books, special videos, tests, special JEE and NEET coaching programs. These days the coaching programs are so expensive, it is not possible for middle class people to afford coaching classes. But in this e-digital library, you will have access to all of them also. Now, Goa has BJP government. Captain Benzi belongs to Aam Aadmi Party. We are part of the opposition. Normally you see that whenever there is an opposition MLA, the entire 5-year tenure is spent on just cribbing and cribbing and cribbing. I can't do anything. The government is not supporting me. The government is of a different party. The CM is not supporting me. The ministers are not supporting me. The officers are not supporting me. I can't. Captain Benzi is not like that. He's not whining. He's not complaining. He's not criticizing the government. He is amongst you, serving you in whatever capacity he can. I was asking him from where did the funds come for this library. He said, I'm funding partly from my salary and partly from donations. This is extraordinary. I want to ask you, how many MLAs are there in this country? If someone becomes an MLA, even in Goa or any part of the country, his first priority is to earn as much money as possible through corruption. His first priority is to loot the public exchequer, to indulge in corruption and earn as much money for his family. For 7 generations, they make money, they buy flats, they buy properties, they buy land, as if next time they may or they may not be provided. It was the job of BJP government, it was not his job. This is not MLA's job. It was the job of BJP government, but what are they doing? They have demolished, they have closed down 200 schools in Goa in the last few years. There was a news that in one of the government schools, the ceiling fan came down. In one of the schools, the roof came down. This is the kind of education system that Goa has. So whatever chance the people of Goa gave us in these 2 constituencies, we are working with whatever capacity we have. And if we get a chance for the whole of Goa, we will completely transform various sectors, education, health, roads, electricity, water, all the sectors, as we have done in Delhi. Now we are working in Punjab. In Punjab recently we came out with a scheme. We have given health insurance worth 10 lakh rupees to every single family, 65 lakh families in Punjab. Each family has got a health insurance of 10 lakh rupees. So even the poorest of the poor, fishermen, drivers, taxi drivers, laborers, poorest of the poor can get the best treatment in the best private hospitals up to 10 lakh rupees. No other government in the country has done this. So I congratulate.
Politicians become MLAs, become ministers, and forget about your children and your families. They only remember one thing. They only remember that in 5 years, when they are an MLA or a minister, how do they make as much money as possible? How do they build as many houses as possible? How do they build as many villas as possible? How many resorts as possible? This is the only thing that politicians think about. Once they get elected, they are not thinking of your children. They are not thinking of our families or their health. They are not thinking about how ordinary families run the budget for the whole month. They are only thinking about how to fill their pockets. And I'm proud of the fact that Aam Aadmi Party is different. And our 2 MLAs in Goa, Captain Benzi Vegas and Engineer Cruz Silva, have shown that Aam Aadmi Party is different. They are thinking about you, they are thinking about your family, and they are thinking about these wonderful, smiling young children and their future. We are not in government in Goa. We just have 2 MLAs. But these 2 MLAs have tried to work for the people of their constituency without any help from the government. Both of these MLAs started clinics in their MLA offices. I don't know if you noticed before we entered this program, there were 4 old people outside in the tent there. Did you see them? These 4 senior citizens were going to get a cataract operation done. Now, as many of these children might know, you might know that your grandparents are sometimes not able to see properly because of cataract. But a cataract operation is not cheap. And so while old people may not be able to see, they are not able to afford a cataract operation. And I'm proud of the fact that Captain Benzi Vigas, from his own salary, has paid for 200 cataract operations of senior citizens.
What now? Now we have provided you with the JEE syllabus, with the NEET syllabus through this e-learning. This is what we could do now without being in the government. So the message is very clear. Our intention here is to ensure that our vision, which our Supremo Sri Arvind Kejriwal has created all over the world, all over India, that the vision is every child should get similar education, same standard of education, irrelevant whether he is a child of a poor family or a rich family. All should get same education, same infrastructure, and the best quality of infrastructure, best quality of education should be available to each and every student and each and every student of every remote village. And with this vision, we have started moving step by step. We are not only promising that once we form the government, today, without forming the government, we have achieved this. None other MLAs from the present government are taking such initiatives. And this is our mark, where we say, we are different, we want to be different, and we want to make a change. Give us an opportunity, and the change which has happened in Benaulim Constituency shall be taken across Goa to make sure that all the children get this.